morning, ma'am. I am Asiti Reddy from class 8B. For the science project, I made this wonderful video presentation. What's in my garden and how plant is it and what is their benefit. So please enjoy this video. The second one, I have this coriander. Coriander is very good in our health. It's also used in many medicine and it's also prevent our health diseases. And it's also used in many Indian dishes as a seasoning. Good morning, ma'am. For the third one, I have this bitter melon. Bitter melon is used in many products, especially skin products. Bitter melon has vitamin A, vitamin C, and it also reduces acne and many things. For the fourth one, I have this Tulsi. Tulsi is very precious in Hinduism. We always see in whatever in our home is Havan, Kirtan, Puja, we always used to worship Tulsi because Tulsi is a very precious in Hinduism and it's also used as a mouth freshener. Thank you. The fifth one, I have this aloe vera. Aloe vera is very beneficial. It reduces our skin acne and it's also used in winter for the dandruff and it also smooth our skin, hair and many things. Thank you.